Now that you've crocheted the body, it is time to crochet the legs. These are just a few rows, but make sure to make 4. Your kitten will need 4 legs. So you need your crochet hook and your yarn and a stitch marker. Let's start with round 1, where you do 5 single crochet in a magic ring. Make your magic ring. Remember, this first stitch doesn't really count, it's just getting the magic ring started. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tighten up the magic ring, and you can place your stitch marker. Now for rounds 2 through 4, we will single crochet in each stitch, ending with 5 stitches at every row. Get a little piece of paper to keep tally of your rows if you want. And place your stitch marker. Let's get started. In the first stitch, do your first single crochet and a single crochet in every other stitch. When you're making something small like this, you have to really pay attention to make sure you don't skip a stitch. So just repeat these single crochet rows until you get to round 4. Once you reach the end, it is time to fasten off. So pull your yarn through this last stitch, leave a long tail for sewing, and cut the yarn. Be sure to make 4 legs.